Exploring the stars, SpaceX's Starship and its role as the lunar lander. Welcome to a new realm of space exploration powered by SpaceX's Starship. A journey where the moon becomes our next destination. The Starship, a lunar lander, is SpaceX's defining invention. Its unique design and technical prowess promise to revolutionize space travel. Imagine landing on the moon, not with an ordinary spacecraft, but with an advanced vehicle like the Starship. A vehicle designed for lunar missions. The Starship isn't merely a lunar lander. It's a reusable spacecraft, ushering in an era of cost-effective space exploration. The Starship's unprecedented technology makes it the most reliable choice when landing humans and cargo on the moon's surface. Join us as we explore how this groundbreaking innovation could bring us closer to understanding the mysteries of our universe. With SpaceX's Starship, the moon is not the limit, it's the next frontier. Explore the stars with us.